In this video, you will see some beautiful gardens unsullied by deer and other garden pests because these gardeners used Bobbex repellents. If you're like most gardeners, you love admiring and getting inspiration from other people's gardens. In this video, we'll share some beautiful gardens from Bobbex customers who participated in our Summer 2019 photo contest. Among the reasons for their success is the use of #1 rated Bobbex repellents to protect against hungry deer and other garden pests. We will be showing some great contest entries highlighting beautiful gardens that normally attract deer and other garden pests. Near the top of the list are hosta. Deer simply love these soft, tender leaves and will chew them right down to the ground given a chance. Each of these gardeners is grateful for the fact that Bobbex allowed these hosta to grow and remain healthy and unsullied throughout the summer. Lilies are another deer favorite. Bobbex, when sprayed well ahead of any anticipated rainfall, will last for weeks. And as you can see in these photos, it has kept these lilies pristine. Bobbex has a special formula specifically for roses, another deer favorite. Using Bobbex regularly allow these beautiful roses to bloom to the top of their potential. And of course, any garden close to the woods provides easy access to deer. Looking at these beautiful gardens, it's clear that thanks to Bobbex, the deer have stayed away. And here are the photo contest winners. For more garden inspiration and tips, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.